of this high fast. This is going to be crap here.
Curveball. His arm, Rosie. His arm feels like jello. Strikes out with the load. Bases loaded. Wow.
Would I go on that?
Yeah, you think you're gonna get hit?
Yeah.
I have my hopes on Justin Apollo.
What?
That could be.
MVP.
Who's up? Who's up?
Apollo.
Josh, you're up.
He always leads off.
Woozy.
Hey,
I
Woozy.
think twice there, 2 dingers.
Michael Ferruzzi made the last out of the fifth with a strikeout. Whoa!
Justin Apollo. I won't even take that ball, all right?
Eric, feed me some more wire. Good. Here's the pitch. Outside. Let's see it, Josh. Full count? 2 balls, 2 strikes, no outs. Full count. The payoff pitch will be coming. Justin Apollo leading off the top of the 6th inning. Here is the 3-2. Foul back. Justin stays alive. The West leads it 13-8. It's been a home run derby here today. Grounded to short. Wittenbach. Oh, it's through him. Let's see if Justin tried. Oh, let's see him try to get back now. And he'll hold it first. So an error on Wittenbach leading off the 6th. See you.
Berger calling a home run, telling me to watch the right field fence, and Ruzy calling a strikeout. And that going right by my face. There's that right field fence. James out in right field, Justin on first base. Ruzy's still referring to the strikeout I think he's going to acquire here. Ooh. Mark Effman, the umpire, on the day calling that a ball. Oh, God.
Count full?
Full count. Hit, out, or walk. Here we are. He walks him.
It'll be hard to play it as Gladden gets a single, but they get the out at second on a fielder's choice.
That son's trouble.
It is.
Thank you. Look at that blazing sun overhead. No, you don't, Ruth. No, you don't. Long glare back at the mound by Apollo. Not happy with that inside fastball. Here's the 1-0. Popped up and playable. Ruzy under it. Hey, you can still play and then retire to the side. And I'll see you after the game.
Just press it once.
Okay. Paul's first pitch is a little wide. Yeah, it's a 1-1 count.
Come on now, son. What do you say now? Come on, kid. Here you go, son, kid. Come on, do it for all the women out there. Oh, man! Come on now, son. Come on. Get down, kid. All right, kid. It's all you now. Come on. 2-2, right? Yep. Sit down. Get on your pitcher, Wood. Come on now, kid.
Counts 2-2. Powell winds up. The pitch.
Come on, Josh. Out of it. Out of it. What do you run? Out of here. What do you run for that? You're out of it. JP, yeah. You get that on camera? It was such a look at the replay. That's fine right there. You don't run on it. You don't do that. You should be out for even trying to go. That's like... JP.
There's no way you're getting it.
JP. 5-5. Jump off the plate. I think you can. Hey, Wood.
What? But the ball, there's no way you're going to get it. I was halfway to third anyway when he sissed it.
Ruzy calling a shot. First pitch to the ball.
You don't need a ball. Maybe it goes in the woods. You're right. Oh, God. Dad! Run! That's a ball. Put him on second. That's a ball. Put him on second. Woody, I'm not you. There's a bird shit on his head. Is it a ball? Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's a ball to the ball. You protest the game. Where's that glove, Bert? Bump. Throw it up about 100 feet in the air. I'll hit it.
Both runners are safe on a stupid play by pitcher Justin Porkchop Laparo. There he is right now, feeling like an idiot.
How about that? Oh, no.
Batting the Canadian wonder, Mark Woodpeckers.
That was a great play. Wood, that's okay. Come on. Hey, that's a fork if he's on the mound without a fork. Come on. James would have been home already after 2-4. That's your lead. He would have been home. He was on the mound. JB fork. Oh, Josh!
Sounds like trouble. Two runners score.
You got to cover. Cover third. What?
Scores 13-10 with one out with James Simon.
Would you calm down?
We're back at this commercial break. That was James Simon. James, juvenile delinquent in the offseason.
Hey, come on! Come on, baby! Come on, baby! Oh, no! Look at this thing! We got a game now.
What's that, Mike?
We got a game now, kids.
Well said. Well said, Mike. Mark, what did you say about that stupid running exhibition? Not like a veteran player like yourself.
No, I usually don't do that kind of stuff, but I was halfway to third when the pitch was thrown, so I had to keep going.
You
really thought I beat it out.
I really thought I beat it out, but
There you have
hasn't
it.
got me out yet today, and I made up for it next step back. And watch this, we're gonna win it right now.
Stick to hockey then, Mark.
That's what it's all about, folks.
Come on.
You're commentating on that?
Oh, yeah.
All right. This is it.
Say that again, Joe.
Come on now.
Umpire Mark Effman over there with his stylish hat and stylish shorts and the pitch. Berger back on the mound. Oh, my God, that's a surprise to me. First pitch just a bit outside. We got a game here now. Ball 2. How about that? The pitch. I'll get a better view. Oh, it's gone. There's a strike pitch. Whoa, there's the ball. It just almost hit me. That ball almost hit me. But in the game, Cruzy just walked. With 2 men on right now. 13-11 with 2 men on. Mark Wittenbach, premier hockey player, Cornell up to bat.
Wood, come on, you're the vet. You gotta go while you're in the All-Star game, Wood.
Move on now.
You gotta be a hitter, Wood. 7 years after the stuff now. Let's see. Hey,
There's strike 1.
You gotta swing it down. Hey, Wood, we need some help now. Come on now. We need some help now, Wood.
Just a bit foul.
Homer ends the game. We'll just start spacing and that'll be over. Get a hit though now. Get on! Get on! Come on, Mike.
Come on, Woodard.
Come on, Wood. You know the arm's hanging like a jelly bean. Good on, good on. Come on now, Wood. It's your life on the line now. We ain't kidding.
What's the count?
Come on. Slapped up, son.
2 men on. Time on the...
There you go.
There's
There
a
you
hit.
go. Foul ball.
That's foul. Foul ball.
Right over the bag.
Counts 2 and 2.
Wood, come on now, kid. Show him you're a vet, honestly.
Trying a little trick from the Bad News Bears ain't working with a good base runner like Jim Simon, brother of mine.
Good
Hit.
going.
That ball almost hit me again.
Come on, Wood. You're the vet. You're the one who wants to be in this situation now.
And the fans are going wild.
Good on. You're right.
Controversial call. Oh wow, this one's gonna hit by a fucking bat. The game is over. Look at that bat. That bat almost hit me. Holy. That's a bat. Don't let Mark Whitman back after a controversial call. Dude, it just missed me, tell you the truth. Look at this, there's a fight over there.
Yeah? You can't end the game on that.
Security! Security! Pandemonium. Wouldn't back it over here, please.
Set up a display of umpire, that's all I have to say. Get it back up to F. I don't know the strike zone, I don't know the size.
There you have it, Mark Wittenbach.
I'm here with Michael Ferruzzi after the play was reviewed and seen in Mark Wittenbach's room, and they say we will continue the game. Michael, what do you feel about this?
Oh, I just thank God Chow was there. That's great filming right there. And then, you know, you can't leave the game on that note. It just can't be done. That ball was down. I mean, if you had a 9 on, you couldn't dig it out, you know. It's just, I mean...
What do you do? I can't look at a ball that I can't hit? You were just telling me.
Are you okay, you kids? I'm just telling you.
I'm 9.
We're back. I know, I'm not back, and we're going to finish this game on a right note.
I'm saying that I should get the runs and, like, win it, maybe.
Oh, you give me no chance to play. I guarantee you. I guarantee you.
What's happening?
Now we have an interview with Mark Effman,
The controversial.
the controversial umpire,
Check out Berger's new watch.
Listen to me! This guy sucks! This guy doesn't know what the fuck he's talking about.
All I'm telling you is I call it like it is, you know what I mean? But if they want to replay the game,
last game in this league ever is an umpire.
2-2.
Strike him out again.
Struck him out 3 times and I'll do it again.
2-2, and it doesn't matter because
You think he's winning the contract next season? I hope it's with another team because it's not with mine.
Guys, following the game, we got a first WrestleMania event.
Where's the nice people that we are? Hey, guys, together. The nice people that we are. We're gonna let them do this over. Let's go. Let's go do this one, okay?
But just for the
We
sake.
all saw in the replay that it was a ball.
No, you saw. I saw that it was a strike.
Well, you don't know what the strike zone is in the first place. How are you going to be able to call it?
All right, good.
You don't know what the strike zone is, so how can you say you saw it?
Yo,
Everyone on the replay saw that wasn't even a ball.
Yeah, like
that
who?
was your ball.
What are you
Everyone
talking
else saying
about?
that
Bullshit,
replay
I
was
call
a
it like
ball.
it is. You just
can't
remember.
call that to
Just
end the
fucking
game.
remember. Let's go. Let's play some ball.
No, that was, 2-2.
There you have it. Controversial call. We're back.
I thought the 3-2 pitch
I should be getting paid for overtime for this, ladies and gentlemen. I did make the Woody, though.
Yeah, keep that thing rolling. Make sure you get the ball in the strike zone this time, Chad.
Mark Wittenbach, 2-2 count.
I made the Woody, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not even a player, but I made the Woody.
2-2, Woody.
The count is 2-2.
Wait, time out. Wait, I just want to make sure you guys all agree, right? Not really, but okay. No. Yes.
Oh, this counts?
This counts.
All right.
The count's 2-2, 1 out.
Don't strike out, please.
That's definitely a ball, ladies and gentlemen. Think about that, a strike. I might even have to put my 2 cents in. The full count. 2 men on. This means it all. This means it all. No controversial about that. Nothing controversial about that. There it is. No flying bats, no nothing.
Actually, for real.
Burger, come over here. Burger. Burger, come over here. Burger, come over here. In my
Hey,
opinion, you're the MVP. You probably will be named. What do you have to say?
I'm going to Disneyland.
There you have it. Going to Disneyland.
I know who the MVP.
No, I spoke to you.
Most valuable.
There he is, ladies and gentlemen. Justin, my second vote for the most valuable player with very clutch dingers and a very good smile. Show him that smile, Justin. There you go. Just, what happened to that girl you met last night? Tell me. Where'd she want to get dropped off at?
Where was it?
Where'd you gotta make a right at?
Where'sville?
Where?
Where? Lakeville?
Where'sville? There's Jimmy Simon. Jim, where you going? Jim, you're JV, that's right, buddy.
That's it.
And there you have it. Woodyball, 91. I made the Woody. Say it again, say it again.
Teammates next year. And when we're teammates, we're going to win this whole joint with no problem. Good.
Go.
Here we are at the Woodyball postgame show with MVP Michael
Told
Berger.
you. I saw the camera.
Show with MVP Mike Berger. Mike, at the end, close, controversial call, came through, you got the win, couple clutch home runs, came in for relief. What do you have to say?
Well, first of all, I'd like to say that I'm just glad the game ended on a clean call like that. I'd like to see a great game, and you know, it was a great game. And I'm glad that I
Look
could
at
be on.
Berger's new watch, everybody.
My oh my, look at this watch over here we have.
Just picked that up before the game.
It already
Nice
a little
watch
faded
there,
out.
Berg.
Sign of a good athlete. Okay, here we go. We'll sign off now. Love, peace, and hair grease. What's the funny video like? Just the bat and the camera going wild?
That's a good chance. That bat looks like it's the camera.
It looks like it hit the camera.
We get a good look at Justin LaPaulo.
I saw the bat coming out though.
It's just fun in the games now. That game is history. Now just think about the next half of the season that's coming up.
Eskimos #1.
There you see it again.
Eskimo pie.
Mike Berger, the MVP, enjoying this moment as it is, and ready for the end of the
Woodpeckers
season.
ain't gonna win this deal.
And Eric was just killed.
I'm reading it right here, Joe.
There's Justin LaPaulo. Relaxed. There we go, Chad Simon, the hero. After he gets to record, he records the call that they taped, that they previewed, and they got the call. There's no strike to continue the game, but he still striked out. Thank you. James Simon, the rookie this year. Mark Wittenbach, 7 years in the league. Mark Effman, the umpire. Almost killed a couple times. And there's the unsung hero, Mike Ferruzzi.
Why? Because he didn't get a hit? That's awesome.
This is Eric Wittenbach signing off for the All-Star game. It is over. We'll see you again next year for the 1992 Woodyball All-Star game.
Hey, where'd you go?
Goodbye, and see you next year. Michael Berger, and we're here. How do you think the All-Star game came out there last weekend?
The thing is, Eric takes it seriously.
I'm pretty happy with it.
You're getting the start today pitching, and you're leading the series 2-1 against the Woodpeckers. How do you feel about this?
Today's a big game, you know. We got to beat these guys 3 out of 4. They're probably the worst team in the league, especially that Banks kid.
And some technical difficulties with Michael Berger. Yes, you okay?
Get you, Banks.
Do you feel that you're gonna have to win every game this season to be in a contestant and make sure the Lions lose a couple?
Yeah, well, with me on the mound today, I'm pretty confident that we'll do it. You know, I've been successful here, 6-1. It's not too bad a record, and you know, we'll win today. We'll definitely win tomorrow. We seem to own the Wild thing. Pretty confident.
Well, the Wild thing, you lost we won 1-0 to them. That was a pretty close game, but it was a great game.
The conditions were bad, and I was up early in the morning. I didn't really feel too great. I had a little stomach virus, and you know, we would have beaten 11-0, but you know, we get any win we can.
All right. Thank you, Michael Berger, and this is Michael Berger. Good luck. 2-1 to Jason Banks. Berger. Ooh, strike. There's a nice single, and LaPalo goes to second. Mark Legori. We get a look at him. Doesn't play much Woodyball in the pitch. Takes that one high, and it's caught. Wow, so his debut caught by Berger on a little short fly. Now batting Justin LaPalo. It's a ball one. Oh, next is the ground ball. League scores 1-0. Jay, where'd you get to? Yeah. Jason Banks batting. Strike 2. First and second, 1-run scores. Oh, and it's a ball. And there's another ball. Strike 3, and he strikes him out to end the inning. So we'll be back after this. That was a tip. Excuse me. Hits that one in. 1 run will score, and there's a double for Jason on a tip that they didn't know that was a tip. Legori. And he gets a little nudge of that one. Not having such a good debut. We'll go to the top of the second after this. We're back. 2 runs on 3 hits the last half of the first, and Woodpeckers taking an early 2-0 lead. Little team meeting. Batting Michael Berger. Little arguments between the players. A pitch ripped. Berger going to second on a double. Mark Wittenbach now batting. The pitch, that's high. Way high. No error, no error. No one even looked at that ball. Wow, they just watched that one. Berger goes to third. Ball one to Mark Effin. After Kang in the top of the first. Ripped. Oh, wow. What a play. Ligori catches it and throws it over to first with Mark having a big lead.